Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we are excited to present to you the top 5 best treadmills for 2023. If you're looking to bring your fitness routine to the next level or create a convenient home gym setup, you've come to the right place. We have carefully curated this list based on extensive research, analysis, and consideration of various factors such as features, prices, quality, durability, and customer feedback. Our goal is to provide you with the most comprehensive and reliable information to help you make an informed decision when selecting the perfect treadmill for your fitness needs. A treadmill is a versatile and essential fitness equipment that allows you to walk, jog, or run in the comfort of your own home. It provides a convenient way to stay active, burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and achieve your fitness goals. The treadmills on our list are designed with cutting-edge technology, advanced features, and robust construction to deliver a superior workout experience. They offer various incline and speed settings, customizable workout programs, and tracking features to keep you motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. These treadmills are built to withstand rigorous workouts and offer excellent shock absorption, ensuring a comfortable and joint-friendly running experience. They are equipped with powerful motors, spacious running surfaces, and intuitive control panels to enhance your workout sessions. Furthermore, we have considered the reputation of the manufacturers to ensure reliability and customer satisfaction. We made this list based on our personal preferences and prioritized the treadmills that excel in performance, durability, and user-friendly features. In the video description below, you will find links to these top 5 best treadmills for 2023. For additional information and a more detailed comparison, visit our website, azsuperbox.com. Our website provides comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to assist you in making an informed decision when choosing the perfect treadmill for your fitness journey. So, let's dive into the world of the top 5 best treadmills for 2023 and elevate your fitness routine to new heights. Don't forget to check the links in the description for pricing and further information about the treadmills we discuss. Now, let's explore these exceptional fitness machines and get ready to achieve your fitness goals with convenience and efficiency.
Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Look what I have here. You know I absolutely love all of the Renpho Smart exercise equipment, and I have here a smart treadmill from Renpho. I wanted to tell you a little bit about it today. Yes, I put this together all by myself. It was super easy. I literally had to use 4 screws, and I'm not the handyman, trust me. And as you can see, it's super compact, and I'll show you how it folds up and easily goes into a corner. But the beauty of the Renpho Smart Treadmill is that it's actually app control. So I have here my phone, and all I had to do was download the Renpho Health app, and I paired the treadmill with my Bluetooth. And I can control everything here on the phone, the auto inclines. There's actually 15 different programs. So for those of you who are looking for the convenience of treadmill in the comfort of your own home, if you don't like running outside, if you don't want to go to the gym and do cardio with a bunch of other people, here you have it. You can watch TV, you can talk to your friends on speakerphone, and you can see that it's tiny and compact, and it even has a safety key, which is kind of cool. So let me tell you a little bit more about it and how it works. The Smart Treadmill is the ideal workout solution for your home cardio fitness needs. You can connect to the free Renpho Health app via Bluetooth. Set goals, track your workouts, and see the progress you've made. There are 15 preset workout programs to challenge your fitness level. The speed ranges from 0.6 to 11 miles per hour, and there are 18 level auto incline up to 25 plus 3 degrees to recreate trail running terrain. There's a shock absorbent design for a comfortable run, and it protects your knees. Multifunctional console panel and heart rate handles. What's best is it's easy to assemble and folds up nice and compact. So what do you guys think about it? Pretty cool, right? So many different functions, so many different features. Renpho never fails to disappoint. I personally have been loving this because I am not a big runner. I get very bored. So this is a great exercise cardio-wise to do at home. I've been watching some Netflix while I'm on the treadmill, and also I can be with my family and have chit chats at night, and I'm kind of doing cardio exercise, catching up. So it's just really nice to have something like this at home. I always thought treadmills were huge and I did not want one in my house, plus they were super expensive, but this really breaks all of those myths because it's compact, it's affordable. I'm going to show you now how it very easily lifts up. There you go. There's little wheels on the bottom, so we can just slide it. As you see, I have it in my corner, and it's plugged into my power source. And then when I want to bring it down, it just slowly goes down.
The T6.5S from Nordictrack. Elevate your workout with NordicTrack's superior construction and cutting-edge technology. Bring the world to your living room with iFit. Choose from routes all over the globe, and iFit will simulate the inclines and declines of the terrain automatically, whether it's the inclines of the French Alps or the smooth beaches of Bora Bora, because iFit will guide you and you'll get training from world-class professionals. All this is only possible with iFit. With Flex Select cushioning technology, you can enjoy a cushioned deck or a more firm deck to simulate the open road. Powered by a robust 2.6 horsepower motor that's built to last with a 25-year warranty. Increase the incline by up to 10% with the push of a button for a more challenging workout. And just as quickly, adjust the speed from 0 up to 10 miles an hour. The large 20 by 55-inch deck gives you enough room to run naturally and comfortably. Lose yourself in the music with the MP3-compatible sound system from the dual 2-inch speakers. 20 professionally designed workout apps allow you to mix up your routine anytime you want. And with the EKG grips, never lose track of your target heart rate. Not only is this frame durable, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, but it's backed by a lifetime frame warranty. Once your workout is complete, easily fold and tuck your machine away with the Easy Lift Assist system. Take advantage of free shipping on your NordicTrack. Enjoy the gym experience without leaving your home with the T6.5S from NordicTrack.
Think treadmills haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22. It's a runner's high you won't want to miss.
With NordicTrack, the results you want start here.
Let's go on a journey through Antarctica. Through Monument Valley.
Through the Balkans.
In Thailand.
In Morocco.
The best treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, rowers, and state-of-the-art strength equipment take you further.
Train with me and let's travel the world.
Together, we'll journey to the ends of the earth.
All while getting in the best shape of your life.
NordicTrack connects you to a personal trainer in your home.
Check out these views. Absolutely amazing.
Where you get to explore the world without ever leaving the house.
Nothing gets left on the table.
Change happens one step at a time.
And you guys are putting in that work, and I'm proud of you.
This is interactive personal training all over the world, right in your home. NordicTrack, the home of interactive personal training.
What's up, guys? I'm your iFit trainer. Incline's going high today. Let's turn it up a notch.
There's a secret place that I go in my mind where there's no trouble.
Woo! We are burning calories now.
The higher the incline, the higher the calorie burn.
Keep climbing, keep progressing, keep pushing.
Those glutes are working overtime.
We're gonna climb up right into the clouds. Absolutely stunning. Wow, just take a moment to look at that.
Oh, I'm so stoked for it. Nicely done.
Yeah.
Woo! Beautiful job today. That hike was incredible. It doesn't get any better than that.
They never build these tunnels for tall people. And you can actually feel the rock here is damp. It's telling me that the tide actually comes up here. Welcome to New Zealand. Check that out.
Welcome to the Hawaiian Island Toning Series. And today, we get to kick it off with your first workout in Kauai on Hanalei Bay. We're gonna kick it off with a nice dynamic warm-up. Don't worry, you got this. Woo! Take in this beautiful view.